30 content marketing examples that work. Examples that work. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and to drive profitable customer action. Build more targeted landing pages. This allows you to easily create diverse types of pages including squeeze pages, pre-sale pages, opt-in pages, and sales pages. Examples of great landing pages. A/B test your squeeze page. Opt-in form. Pre-sale page. Opt-out page. Thank you page. Home page. Sign up page. Lead magnet. Sales page. Get more high-quality backlinks. Backlinks aren't just for search engines anymore. There are hundreds of reasons why you should focus on getting quality backlinks. Here are some benefits of high-quality backlinks. Improve rankings. If you get good backlinks, you're likely to rank higher in organic searches. Boost conversion rates. Having good backlinks increases conversion rates because a visitor is more likely to act if they end up on your page. Get credibility. Search engines trust sites with lots of inbound links over ones with few or no links. Earn referral links. Getting backlinks gives other sites permission to link to yours. Learn the power of visual content with infographics. Infographics provide useful information in an engaging format. Since infographics were first introduced, users have found them much easier to digest than text alone. With all this power, it's no wonder infographics are commonly used on blogs to promote products and services. These kinds of posts are known as visual content, and they tend to do very well on Pinterest since most people use mobile devices to view pictures. Create awesome infographics using Adobe Illustrator. To create an infographic without having any graphic design knowledge, you'll need to use Adobe Illustrator. Segment audience to increase engagement. The best way to engage your audience is by segmenting them based on interests and demographics. This will allow you to target specific audiences with content that matches their needs and preferences. Know your audience and give them what they want. As a rule, you'd want to write about things that concern your audience, whether it's sales lead generation, finding a better job, or increasing their bottom line. Visual content marketing. Here are just a few of the many ways companies use visuals to engage audiences and promote products. Stock photography. Video tutorials. Animation. GIFs. Slideshows. Infographic presentations. YouTube videos. However, social media is one of the most effective methods of generating user engagements. Using videos to engage readership. People enjoy watching things visualized rather than reading about them. Try podcasting. As mentioned above, podcasting is another powerful form of content marketing. Focus on facts and data. As a content marketer, it's important to focus on facts and data. This will help you build trust with your audience and ensure that your content is credible. Include links to other websites. Links are the cornerstone of any marketing strategy, and yet many marketers still struggle to understand how to use them effectively. Make your posts shareable. Sharing is an essential aspect of content marketing. Since social media sites only allow limited space for each individual user, you will need to work hard to ensure that your posts receive as many shares as possible. Consistently run AB tests. The biggest challenge with content marketing is testing different versions of your content to see which one performs best. This means running A/B tests and split testing to find out which version converts better. Conduct a competitor analysis and work with the data. The first step in any marketing campaign is understanding who your competitors are and where they fit into the market. Learn from other people's mistakes. Hopefully, you learn from other people's mistakes and avoid making them yourself. Use emotional keywords in headlines. A headline is the first thing people see when they visit your website. When writing headlines, remember to use emotional keywords like free, easy, or now. Give your audience a behind-the-scenes experience. People love to see behind-the-scenes footage of the people they admire. They want to see the process. They want to learn about the inspiration behind an artist's work. Be authentic. Be honest. Show genuine concern for others and their opinions. Build trust by using open communication. By sharing important news and updates on your website, you'll gain trust among your subscribers. Build trust with customers. When you have built trust with your customers, you will be able to convince them to buy your products or hire your services. When you build trust among your audience, they'll remember your name. Build engagement in your own space. The best way to build engagement in your own space is by providing useful information and resources. This will allow people to find answers to their questions, which will then lead them back to your site. Create valuable resources. When you provide valuable content, people will return repeatedly. Make everything easy for visitors. Do more than just say thank you. At the end of each article, post, or podcast episode, you should always thank your readers for their interest. Get maximum mileage out of your content. The best way to build trust with your audience is by providing great content. It's not enough to just write a post, you must publish high-quality content consistently. Don't forget about mobile users. There's no denying that an increased number of people access the internet through smartphones and tablets than traditional computers. Include calls to action in every piece of content. People hate being asked to click away when reading something, so it's essential to ask them to complete an action by making it clear what they need to do next. Inspire people to share your product. The best way to share your product is through word-of-mouth recommendations. This means talking to people who already know and trust you and asking them to spread the word about your business. Respond to Twitter mentions. The best way to respond to people who mention you on Twitter is by replying directly to them. This will show them that you've seen their tweet and acknowledge their comment. Encourage user-generated content. The best content marketers know that they should actively encourage user-generated content, UGC, from their customers. Use your product in a new way. The best way to build trust is by providing great service. This means being responsive to customers, offering fast delivery times, and taking care of any problems they might encounter. Content Marketing Institute's Click to Tweet. Click to Tweet is a free tool that allows you to create customized messages that can be shared on Twitter. This means that you can create any message imaginable and send it to your followers instantly. Washington Post's list-based article. The Washington Post has published several lists of the best articles this year. They include the top 10 list of the year, the top 10 science stories, the top 10 business stories, the top 10 tech stories, the top 10 food stories, the top 10 sports stories, the top 10 politics stories, the top 10 health stories, and the top 10 entertainment stories. They're splendid examples of how to write an article that includes a list format. Moz's topic clusters. The idea behind topic clusters is that they group related topics together so that users don't have to scroll through pages of unrelated information. One of my favorites is called Best Practices, and it contains over 3,000 different topics grouped into 20 categories. This resource can be especially helpful if you plan to create many blogs, as it helps you quickly find out which ones might work well. Examples: Evergreen Content Marketing. The best example I know of evergreen content marketing is the content from the National Geographic Society. Instead, they focus on producing quality content that will continue to provide value long after the initial publication date. They do this by creating engaging videos that feature awesome images, interesting facts, and interviews with experts. Example of Hootsuite's blog network. Hootsuite's blog section provides access to posts written by experts and influencers in the digital marketing space. Because most of its traffic comes from search engines, this means that you can use it to attract links back to your site. Example of Amazon's Kindle Publishing blog. Amazon's Kindle Publishing blog is an excellent example of how to market effectively on Amazon.com. The blog was launched in 2010, and since then, it has become one of the most popular blogs on the site. Create incentives. Offering exclusive deals to your fanbase is also a clever idea. Run a contest. Another effective way to increase Facebook likes is via running a contest. What makes it special compared to the previous option is that you're giving away prizes, which allows you to give your fans an incentive for liking your page. Offer a free service. If you want to achieve the most success with your Facebook advertising efforts, you should always focus on providing your customers with valuable information. That means making sure you use quality images and videos, along with engaging copywriting, to help drive traffic to your website. Create case studies. Most businesses are creating content for their website and social media, but not all of them are creating case studies. Case studies are a fantastic way to show how your business has helped a customer or client solve a problem. What makes a great case study? Case studies can be an extremely effective content marketing tool when executed well. The case study should tell a story. It should be interesting and engaging, and it should be easy for the reader to follow. The case study should be relevant to your target audience. Here are 5 tips for creating and using case studies. Choose the right case study. Not every case study is relevant to your audience. Make sure you select one that will be of interest and that will help you achieve your content marketing goals. Write a compelling headline. The headline is the first thing people will see, so make sure it grabs their attention and makes them want to learn more. Tell a story. Case studies should be engaging and interesting to read. Use visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so be sure to use visuals to help illustrate your case study. Put yourself to the test. You don't know what your reader will be interested in, so be sure to test the story first and then scale it accordingly. Lead magnet content. The best lead magnets are those that offer something unique and useful. Memes, viral content. The internet has made memes so popular they've become a part of our daily lives. Why do we love memes so much? Because they're funny. And because they spread. They're a type of content that spreads virally. Which means that once a meme gets into someone's mind, it's hard to delete. Content marketing is an effective way to reach out to customers and create a connection with them. As you can see from the examples provided, there is a lot of variety in the types of content that can be used in a content marketing campaign. The most important thing is to create content that is relevant to your target audience and that will interest them.